Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create picture frame in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft PowerPoint application on my computer, and first of all, I'm going to insert a picture here. I'm going to go to the insert menu and I'm going to select pictures, and I'm going to insert picture from this device. For example guys, I'm going to choose this picture. Okay, and wait, I'm going to make it smaller. And if we want to create a frame for this picture, we can go to the picture styles right here, click on this symbol, and here you can choose a frame that you like. Okay, now the frame has been added to my picture. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and this is the result. Or actually, you can create like custom frame. I'm going to go to the insert menu, select shapes, and then here we can choose the frame. Okay, then you can create frame like this, and you'll be able to change the color, or you can replace it with a photo. If you want to replace it with a photo, you can right click on it and then you can go to the format shape and go to the fill and select picture or texture. I'm just going to choose for example picture. Let's try this one. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the custom frame has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a frame on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.